Hey, what's up, guys? I've had a few people ask me to make a video how to install rings without breaking them. It's very simple. A few key tips. Always remember the arrow on the piston absolutely means nothing. What matters is the pins. See the guide pins here? They hold the rings from rotating and getting caught in a port. Basically what you do, remember, sorry, these always go to the intake side. Always. Anyways, to grab your ring, your edge like so. Alright, you're just going to roll it. Put your thumb on it. And just real lightly. Just kind of pinch it down. Now to get your second ring on, what you'll do is you'll push it, roll it, hold it, and hold it down like that. Put your thumb back on it. And just reach in and grab it and roll it down. Like so. And then basically the same thing, the top ring. Alright, now to get them off without breaking them, it's fairly simple. Roll your pin around, or your ring around to your pin. That's all you gotta do. Alright. Now to get your second one off, what I normally do is I'll roll it, pick this guy up, roll it around, and then get it off, roll it back around again. Like so. Very simple. Anyways, if you have any more questions or anything like that, just holler at us. We'll try to help you out.